Right, in this video we're going to learn about rationalising the denominator of a fraction. So it says rationalise the denominator of these fractions. It means 10 over root 5 and b root 6 minus 6 over root 6. Well, what does it mean by rationalise the denominator? So what we've got to do is change that denominator so that it is a rational number, i.e. we don't have a square root sign. And this is quite a useful skill in mathematics. Now, if we've got 10 over root 5, now we need to use the idea that root a times root a is equal to root a squared, which is equal to a. So if you take a square root and multiply by the same square root, you're just going to end up with the number a. So it uses this idea. So we've got 10 over the root 5, and now if I multiply the denominator by root 5, which I can do, provided I multiply the numerator by root 5 as well. I haven't changed the meaning because all I'm doing is multiplying by 1. So what you do is you look at this number here, the square root of what it is, and then write that down again, but you have to also do it to the numerator. So we get 10 times, root 5 times root 5 just gives me 5. So therefore I got rid of the square root sign in the denominator, and then 10 times root 5, I just write it as 10 times root 5, but we notice now that 5 goes into 10 2 times, so we get an answer of 2 root 5. The second one, okay, because we've got root 6 at the bottom here, we're going to multiply the denominator by root 6, and because we've done the denominator we must also do the numerator. So we're going to get 6 from root 6 times root 6, and then minus 6 root 6 from the numerator. So it's root 6 times root 6, which gives me 6, and minus 6 times root 6, which gives me minus 6 root 6. And then root 6 times root 6 is just going to give me 6 from this idea up here. Now we notice there's a common factor of 6 in the numerator, so we'll take that out. So we're going to get 6, 1 minus root 6, still over 6, and then the 6's will cancel. So we get a final answer of 1 minus root 6. We need to be careful here that we don't attempt to cancel that one with that one, because this is a common denominator. Alright, so you should factorize first and then cancel. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to rationalize the denominator of fractions. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.